Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make mobile menu drawer tracking full page in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store. Then I'm going to inspect. Now click on this icon to check it by mobile version, and here is the mobile menu drawer. So click on it and looks here, the logo is visible, icon is visible, everything visible, and we wanted to make this drawer full page or full screen. Okay, to do this you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, search base, then simply open base.css file, click on this file, then scroll down, go to the bottom, make some space. Okay, now you have to add a simple code snippet in here. You will get this code snippet source link in the video description, so don't worry about the code snippet. You just check out the video description and you will get the code snippet link, from where you have to copy the code snippet. Okay, here is the ready code snippet. Just copy this code snippet from the source link, copy, then go to your base.css file, paste it in here, click on the save. Asset save. Now go back my Shopify store home page. Okay, so looks very carefully. Right now if I click on here, the icon is visible, search icon and cart icon, but as we have already added the code and going to reload and click on here, right now the icon and cart has been gone and the menu drawer right now full screen. So I hope you understand how we have done this page chart very easily, very quickly, without any complex coding, without hearing a lot of history. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.